Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. I got a number of oldies but goodies and a few new items that have caught my eye, so please stay tuned for the details. You already know that I'm very loyal and faithful to my strong and soft, so there you go, 4 rolls. 2-ply, $1.25. That's my go-to, even if I don't necessarily buy too many of them these days. And the paper towels for 140 sheets, $1.25 each. My Scotty's tissues, they're always handy. I get a feeling that they are kind of going down in number. I think it was 180 something, 186 at one point, but now it's 160. Still worth it though, honestly, for such a big box, and especially in my neighborhood, that an amount like this would cost me close to $4, so $1.25 is still not too bad. And yeah, I will say that I do pick up at least 2 boxes. Last you a good portion of time, especially for makeup enthusiasts like myself who always needs tissues. And yeah, they come in these nice pretty designs, as you can see, very lavender and a very nice kind of mosaic print. Not bad. $1.25 each. Now, I know that Q-tips are not necessarily recommended for the ears, and I didn't buy them for the ears. These are great also in a pinch. If you have done a makeup boo-boo, Q-tips come in handy. You could use a little bit and put a little small smidge of like maybe baby oil to clean up anything that perhaps like maybe a makeup wipe won't be able to get. And yeah, you put it on the tip, just a small portion of it, and you can clean up anything, any messed up cat liner. If you've used eyeliner and want a nice sharp cat eye, yeah, you can clean it up with a Q-tip. Sorry, it's a little late, so excuse the grogginess. But yes, and 300 per pack is not bad for $1.25, and they come in a variety of colors. I picked up red. They have red. I think they have blue, pink perhaps, and I think they have like just your standard white. So this will look really nice with the new little small glass jars that I bought recently, that I want them to look really nice and pretty too. So they're also good for aesthetics. Just saying. Anyway, not bad for $1.25, 300 Q-tips. Now, I've mentioned before that yes, in comparison, they have 2 particular brands of mailing tape at my local branch of Dollar Tree. They have 3M and Jot. 3M, for some reason, I will say, now I don't know if it's a controversy or whatnot, but 3M, they will bring them from holidays for like Christmas time and whatnot, but then they just kind of cease to exist for some reason, and then the year-round product is Jot. Now, in a pinch, this is why I buy Jot. Not that I'm not poo-pooing on the brand, but it is not my preference. But in case of a pinch, like I've mentioned before, it does its job. You know, is it as adhesive as the 3M? Perhaps not. But again, like I said, if you just need a stronger grip as opposed to your average Scotch tape, which is a lot smaller, then yeah, I would say go with Jot. And I did. I picked up a package today. This is new in terms of their plastic table cover too. I thought this was really pretty. It says Hello Spring on it, and it has like this floral print. I like it because I do have a rectangle table. They have for a number of sizes, I think oblong and much longer if you have a longer table, or a lot rounder. So I went with this. I thought this was really pretty. It has this nice floral print, very spring-like, right? That's what it says, hence Hello Spring. But I thought this would be really pretty, especially like for Mother's Day. And again, like I've mentioned, if you don't grab it when you see it, most likely you won't see it as the holiday approaches. So even though it's relatively early, Mother's Day isn't until May, but I thought I'd keep this in storage till then. It's in their party section. Now this is in their, obviously, their picture frame section. For the most part, I've only seen their picture frame, like their biggest is by 8 by 10 at my local branch. So the fact that they're expanding the size and you can see 11 by 14 tells me that the Dollar Tree is taking notice in terms of their YouTubers and how we are able to use this for crafts and especially for decorations, perhaps for holidays. So I picked one up because I'm already thinking that I might put something like very holiday themed in this one, and I might pick up another one. I'm not entirely sure yet, but yes, I thought I would experiment and pick up their biggest frame, which is 11 by 14. Now this is new at my local branch. They're LA's Totally Awesome Mold and Mildew Stain Remover Fast Acting. Now I've bought, hold on a second. This is what their old brand. Now, I'm not entirely sure. It could be the same company and they just kind of want to change it all to LA's Totally Awesome. Before it was just Tile Plus Mold. And this has really actually worked wonders for me. This has really been good. They're about the same. They're about the same in terms of fluoride. So I still think that if the content or the actual ingredients work just as strong as this one, then I'll keep you guys posted. But for me, I've always had a preference for this. They don't even bring this anymore. This brand I think is already outdated. But I get a feeling it could be just the same company and they're just kind of jazzing it up. If not, I will let you guys know, and I will also let you know if this is definitely worth the $1.25. But for the time being, again, it does look a little sleeker, a little less busy, but I will let you guys know if it's worth the $1.25. Another product that I will say is definitely worth the $1.25 is their Lime Away. I think I mentioned on my channel before the Deal Guy, and he gave it really big recommendations, and I've tried it, and he is correct. It does really provide that thick gel formula, and it really does get in there. I wish it was a little bigger, to be perfectly honest. It only brings 16 fluoride ounces, but it does get the job done. So yeah, I will recommend that this is worth the $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I do enjoy their LA's Totally Awesome dish soap ultra deluxe, and this comes in a nice fresh apple scent. I do like them. I like the size. I think they are worth it. It's 30 fluoride ounces, and yeah, so I picked up another bottle. Another product I will also recommend to you guys is their LA's Totally Awesome Bathroom Cleaner Soap, Scum, Mold, and Mildew Remover. It does work, but it does have genuinely a really nice, pretty scent. I did notice that they have brought more of this product, and the nozzle has changed. Now it's like a black nozzle. I don't know if necessarily there's a difference in pressure, but this has been working fine, and I didn't feel the need to pick up another one just yet because, as you can see, I just started it. But I do love the smell. The scent is lovely. It's fresh scent, but it has a nice like faint flowery kind of smell. So if you like that, definitely pick yourself up a bottle of bathroom cleaner from LA's Totally Awesome. Also, their Juniper surface cleaner. This is not a new purchase. This is I bought a few days, but I'm just giving you guys an update. And yes, it does. It has a nice, it does do a decent job, and it does have bleach. I thought I would use it to see if I could kind of get rid of mold, but I don't think it's for that. As you can see, it's just kind of like a cleaning thing, but I'll try, like I mentioned, the other product that I picked up today and see if it does really work for mold. And lastly, I will just give you guys this last update. This is LA's Totally Awesome Window Cleaner. It kind of looks like it could be a dupe for Windex. I don't recommend this. The nozzle, yes, I love the way that it's like a nice grip and it sprays really well, but the product inside is not worth the $1.25. So I don't really recommend that purchasing a bottle for $1.25 just for the nozzle. This is what they used to have, and I didn't see it at my local branch. Perhaps they're trying to transition out of this one. This was their old window cleaner vinegar and vinegar formula. The vinegar honestly was a lot better than the traditional what they're trying to push with this new product. This doesn't leave any streaks. And this, for some reason, does kind of leave a lot of streaks and perhaps even like a fog appearance. So I wouldn't recommend this product. This is not worth the $1.25. So with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed my haul. I hope my tips were helpful, especially now that we're going to go into spring cleaning. So I figure I'd give you guys a few heads up when it comes to the Dollar Tree, since now it's a $1.25, and it really, you know, it can hurt your wallet. Sorry to say, Dollar Tree, maybe perhaps you should have just left it at $1, but that's just my opinion. Anyway, if you guys like what you see, give us a like, leave us a comment below. Let me know, what are you getting ready for spring cleaning? Let us know. If you like my channel and you'd like to subscribe, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next video. And stay tuned for my next DIY, my next haul, and my next review, because it's coming. Alright, y'all. Till next time, XOXO. Nerdy girl.